Today I take this opportunity to put all my gratitudes into words. On behalf of our school, I extend a hearty thanks to Honorable Chief Guest Mr. Sandhu Muttaya for having graced our celebration with his presence providing invaluable advice for the equipment hours. Thank you, sir. The value of school education is not the learning of many facts, but the training of the mind to think. I extend a million of thanks to our beloved principal, Reverend Father C.D.M. Joseph, CMI, who is the backbone of every successful celebration. You are truly a great mentor and guide for us. Dear Father, thank you for your guidance and blessings. I would also like to extend my gratitude to our teaching and non-teaching staff who have been our guiding lights, imparting wisdom and knowledge to us and nurturing our talents. Thank you, teachers. Next,